I'm Myra Vargas, owner and nail tech at Artistry Nails. I want to thank you guys all so much for coming. I appreciate you guys wanting to learn from me. I'm hoping you guys learned something. I just want to continue doing this, and it's only another step forward. Whether it was a smaller group, it's good because I was able to help a lot of you guys. And if I wasn't with you guys for a longer time, I was always watching, but I'm super, super happy that you guys came.
My name is Monique, and I am from Sacramento. I really love the concept, and I love that she put on this seminar, because in school you only learn so much and you only learn the basics, and you have more students in the class too, so the teacher can't really focus on one person most of the time. So coming here, being in the small setting, and her being able to walk around and give us advice and pointers on one-on-one, I really, really like that.
I'm Karina, I come from Stockton.
I'm Sol, and I'm from Stockton.
I felt like she was very detailed, like step by step with everything. I felt like she showed a lot of hands-on. So honestly, I feel like I've learned a lot more than when I was in school.
I think this is a great place, and I am so proud of Myra because she's young and she's so humble, and she has inspired me so much, and I've learned a lot from her.
So the first certificate goes to Sol.
You guys all have potential to do nails. I just feel like whenever it comes to doing them, always feel like, I don't know, there's a word I want to say. Confident, yes, confident. Because you guys got it, you guys just need to do it. You guys know more than the person on the other side what you guys are doing. So, like Sol, you got it, Sol. You just need to, and just all of you guys are really good. You guys just need to, don't be afraid. Just don't be afraid. You guys know what you guys are doing. And then practice, that's all. Consistency, practice, practice, practice. That's all.